Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a tour of Mandela Highway, the busiest road in Jamaica. And we're going to talk about 5 mega developments that are taking place off Mandela Highway. Now this is the main road that takes you into and out of the city of Kingston. It's also the only road in Jamaica that gives you access to the Highway 2000 East-West leg, or the PJ Patterson Highway, and Highway 2000 North-South leg, which is the Edward Siaga Highway. Basically, it's the only highway you can get on to access Highway 2000 East-West leg, which takes you to Negril, or Highway 2000 North-South, which takes you to Montego Bay. So it is a very busy road. It also leads you to Portmore and St. Catherine and Spanish Town, 2 of the busiest locations in Jamaica. So the government has 5 mega developments to take place off Mandela Highway. Now the first is the building of the Portmore overpass. This is a project to build basically a 4-lane overpass from Mandela Highway into Portmore. The Portmore Overpass project near Mandela Highway is part of Jamaica's $13 billion special capital expenditure program targeting key infrastructure upgrades. This project includes a new bridge over the Rio Cobre, enhancing access between Mandela Highway and Portmore. The initiative aims to improve traffic flow, accommodate future urban growth, and bolster safety. The overpass forms phase 1 of a broader plan for road network enhancements in St. Catherine and other regions. Alright, so that is the Portmore overpass. And most of the traffic that goes on this road during peak hour goes to Portmore. So after you pass the Portmore turnoff, the traffic eases up. Okay, as the second major development to do with Mandela Highway is the expansion of all the lanes to 6 lanes. Now currently between Spanish Town Road and the turnoff to Portmore, you have 6 lanes. Remember we said most of the traffic goes to Portmore. So from Portmore to the roundabout with the Spanish Town bypass, it's 2 lanes in either direction. So they plan to expand those 2 lanes to 6 lanes. So the entire road will be 6 lanes when they're finished. Now the third major project is the building of the Caymanas interchange. Now as it is now, to get from one highway, the highway that goes to say Mandeville, and you want to get on the highway that goes to Ocho Rios, you have to come all the way on the highway, exit on Mandela, and then go on to the other highway. So they are going to build a major overpass in the Caymanas area. And so you'll have all 3 roads connected via the overpass. Mandela Highway, Highway 2000, the PJ Patterson Highway, and the Edward Siaga Highway. So all 3 will be connected at the Caymanas interchange. Now the 4th project is the Rainforest Commercial Complex, a massive development taking place right by a ferry in St. Catherine, and it's going to be right off Mandela Highway. Now another major project is the Caymanas Special Economic Zone. Actually, where we are to the right of the screen, that is where they're going to be building the Caymanas Special Economic Zone. A massive development. The Cayman Special Economic Zone in St. Catherine, Jamaica, is being developed as a transformative project by the Jamaica Special Economic Zone Authority in collaboration with the Port Authority of Jamaica. Covering 650 acres, the zone is designed to become a mini municipality, integrating industrial, commercial, and residential spaces to foster a dynamic 24-hour ecosystem. So those are the major developments taking place off Mandela Highway. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.